Welcome back. Anti-Corruption Bureau has registered a FIR against former chief officers of Canacona municipality, Pradeep Naik and Prashant Shirodkar. ACB has prima facie found that accused persons Pradeep Naik and Prashant Shirodkar, both while functioning as chief officers of Canacona municipality, hatched a criminal conspiracy with the owners of temporary wooden beach huts and shacks. Huts and shacks erected during previous years were required to be removed, but Pradeep Naik filed a wrong report that shacks have been demolished and thereafter accused Prashant Shirodkar as chief officer of CMC issued a license to erect 45 temporary structures and riverside deck without ensuring that structures erected in the previous years were removed by the licenses. Prudent had exposed the story couple of weeks back. Communist Party of India Goa Unit 2 is in the Lok Sabha poll fray. Trade union leader Suhas Naik will contest the North Goa seat and Raju Mangeshkar from South. ITEC leader Christopher Fonseca criticized the Congress for being weak opposition party in the state. CPI General Secretary Christopher Fonseca criticized the parties in the power for their empty promises and failure to eradicate corruption.
गोंयच्या या निवडणुकेक जी 12 एप्रिलाक आसतली त्या निवडणुकेक आमी दोन धडाडी आमचे वांगडी या इलेक्शनांत उबे रावतले. जो सामाजिक मुवमेंटान रात दीस वावुरता, काळजीदारपणान वावुरता, गेल्या 2 वर्सां हे मायनिंग क्रायसिस गोंयांत पेटला, ताच्या सगळ्या गोवा मायनिंग पीपल फ्रंटाचो नेतो कन्व्हेनर बाब सुहास नाईक, कॉम्रेड राजू मंगेशकर. I commend him for the South Goa constituency. He will fight the election on the Communist Party symbol. कोयत्या आनी कोणस खंयच्याय कोणशा कोपऱ्यांनी कसलीच जर पिळवणूक आसा ती हुमटोवन भायर मारपाक, भ्रष्टाचार काबार करपाक ह्यो ते वावुरतले आनी ह्या इलेक्शनान पीपल्स कॅन्डिडेट, लोकांचे कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून ते वावुरतले आनी ह्या इलेक्शन लढतले. काँग्रेस लिडरांनी आनी ह्या पार्टीन कांयच काम करूंक ना गोंयचे, ना कांय नेतृत्व लोकांक दिवना. इट वॉज अ डिफंक्ट ऑपोजिशन, टूथलेस ऑपोजिशन. ह्या असेंब्लींत आमी प्रोसिडींग्स काडले जाल्यार जे क्वेश्चन्स ते विचारतले आनी ज्या तरेन ते उत्तर घेतले आनी त्याच बरोबर ती उत्तरांक प्रतिकार करतले जाल्यार सारके बोयल कशे ते बसले असेंब्लींत.
Eight buildings in Mapsa city are unsafe and to be demolished. Mapsa Municipal Council has issued notices to demolish these unsafe structures in the Mapsa city. Notices have been issued on these 8 structures. The owners of the structures have been served notices seeking their reply. Municipality has also want to take steps if the respondents do not reply. People were residing in some of the premises while there were shops in some. 2 to 3 premises were totally unoccupied.
आमच्या म्हापसा म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलच्या ज्युरिस्डिक्शनच्या अंडर ज्यो धोकादायक इमारती किंवा स्ट्रक्चर्स त्यांचो एक असो सर्वे करपाचो इंजिनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंटान प्रोसेस चालू केल्लो. त्या प्रमाणे खालील 8 जे स्ट्रक्चर्स आहा किंवा बिल्डिंग्स इतल्यांक आमी नोटिसीस इश्यू केल्या. नोटिसीसाक त्यांचो कांय लोकांनी रिप्लाय केल्लो आसा. रिप्लाय ज्यांच्यांनी दिला त्यांचो फर्दर स्टेप म्हणजे ताका पर्सनल हियरिंग दिवपाचो तो प्रोसेस चालू आसा आनी त्या प्रमाणे फुडली कारवाई जी कितें उचीत अशी दिसतली त्या प्रमाणे फर्दर प्रोसेस वील टेक प्लेस. जर तेंचें उत्तर सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी ना जाल्यार फुडली कारवाई डिमॉलिशन वगैरे वॉट एवर इज इन द एक्ट त्या प्रमाणे फुडली कारवाई जातली.
Dempo Cricket Club topped the Group A with a magnificent victory over Salgaonkar Sports Club in GPL T20 tournament. Dempo batted first and set a target of 159 runs. Salgaonkars in reply could make up to 88 runs in 20 overs. Dempo won the match by 70 runs. Man of the match honour was shared between Saurav Dubey for his splendid 55 runs and Gaurish Gavas. Watch GPL live on Prudent.
This time a deliberate shot there, playing the late cut. This time a lovely shot there, nice clean hit from Swapnil Asnurkar. And this time on the leg side, there is no fielder in the deep. 2 bounces into the fence. And this time up in the air, there is no fielder in the deep. In fact, there is one coming there. He came out of nowhere and a lovely catch there. And that's what the batsman was trying to do. This time down the leg side, a fine tickle there. The fine leg fielder was inside the circle, so 4 more runs. Short ball this time, that one has been hit up in the air. That will clear the fence easily. This time straight to the captain. This time that's a big hit there, straight down the ground. Once again, will he clear the fence this time? There's a fielder coming underneath it. And this time, that was a full toss on the leg side and a no ball as well. This one might also go, but excellent piece of fielding at fine leg. This time the batsman stepping down the track and Sagun Kamath has been dismissed. This time straying down the leg side on the pads. There's a chance of a run out. It's a direct hit. Salgaonkar have lost 2 wickets in the very first over. This time he's cleaned them up. And who would have thought that Salgaonkar will lose 3 wickets without opening their account? Clean him up once again. Well, Gaurish Gawas is on fire. Just outside the off stump, giving some width there, and the batsman took full advantage of it. This time straying down the leg side, there's an appeal. In fact, it's been given. Once again, a similar shot there. This might go all the way for a 6. Yes, it does. This ball is up in the air. There's a chance to take a catch, and what a brilliant catch there in the deep.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.